The first offering in this vision is Bolt, a genuine battery. Bolt two-wheeler batteries, just a genuine battery. Unmatched quality, unmatched price. Hassle-free, long-lasting, price competitive, high-quality technologically advanced batteries. Now let us understand the benefits of Bolt two-wheeler batteries. Smooth cranking, extra long life, guaranteed warranty. At ARKOS, customer satisfaction is always our priority. To make after-sales experience hassle-free, we present to you Bolt Warranty Management System, WMS. This is a paper-free electronic warranty management system wherein the consumer does not need to carry a physical copy of the warranty card. Our warranty management system makes the warranty claim settlement process completely hassle-free. Best pricing. Bolt, just a genuine battery. ARKOS, real value that's ready for change. Ready for customers.